Bradley is a strong will, and she is just full of life. I'll put it that way. She is very funny, compassionate, and just full of love. I definitely wanted a Christ-centered Christian school. I wanted a school that was challenge her, build on what she already learned at the daycare center that I had her previously. And I knew I wanted a small classroom size environment for her.
My wife and I enrolled our kids into Rock Church Academy. The primary thing we were looking for was a character-based, moral-based school. We thought that was very important. We wanted that, embedded that in them, because what we were teaching at home, we wanted it to, again, be lived out once they were in school. And we felt like Rock Church Academy would be the best place for them. So that was our primary decision. And then, of course, the academic was very important, and we had knowledge of a number of the teachers at Rock Church Academy, knew their years of education. And so we felt very, very comfortable having our kids at Rock Church Academy.
I feel like Rock Church Academy checked off all the boxes on my list, with it being a safe and caring and nurturing environment with small class sizes, individualized attention, and academically challenging. Since Royal has been attending Rock Church Academy, I've noticed a significant change in him academically, spiritually. He's much more calmer. He loves learning. Again, learning is just fun for him.
So a typical day at Rock Church Academy, it starts off at 8 a.m. The students arrive and they are ready to learn. We start off with a morning meeting. We have the Pledge of Allegiance. The students there, they start with prayer. Throughout the day, they start them there with academics. They have multiple opportunities for electives, which include music, physical education, technology, art. The students really enjoy learning all the different electives that we have.
I attended Rock Church Academy back in 2004. My experience at Rock Church Academy was actually very interesting because it was full of just fun times with my friends and also working, because I really have fond memories of the plays that we used to put on for the parents, especially the Christmas productions that we did. They were very well done.
The oldest is Brianna, and Brianna currently is in her last year of college at Towson University, and she is actually at this moment teaching at one of the elementary schools. The middle daughter, Bethany, is in college at Maryland Institute College of Art. She has a love of photography, and she is finishing up her studies there at Maryland Institute College of Art. And then Bettina, my youngest daughter, just graduated high school last year from Parkville High School. She is currently in the Bible school at Cromwell Christian School of Ministry.
When I went into middle school, public middle school, after coming from Rock Church Academy in elementary school, I felt like I was a step above everybody else because I knew more complex mathematical equations at that level, and also reading skills as well that some people in my class in public middle school didn't have.
our school is STEAM based, which means we incorporate science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics into our curriculum, in addition to the strong Christian-based curriculum that we use for the general studies. Our daily science consists of life sciences, biologies, physics, chemistry, seasons, everything that a child would need to know to be successful in the field.
Call our school office to learn about more information about Rock Church Academy and how it's a good fit for your child. You don't want to miss the new upcoming registration school year.
So I tell all of my friends about Rock Church Academy. If they are looking for a school, I would tell them, if you're looking for a place that will challenge your child in a loving, caring, safe environment, this is definitely the place to be.
If the parent is looking for a small class size for their child to get the attention that they need, this is a good school.
The thing that we're so proud of and that we share amongst neighbors who we're in contact with is one, that it's a great learning environment, that kids are cared for. We love the class size, and meaning by that, we love the fact that they weren't in a class where there's 25, 30 kids in that one room where they would get ignored. But they were able to get a one-on-one teaching at different times, and we just love that.